Welcome to this lesson where we'll walk through the Kraken platform step by step. Kraken is one of the oldest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, known for its security, advanced features, and global reach. In this session, we'll begin with an overview of Kraken, what it is, its history, and what makes it unique. Then we'll dive into a live walkthrough of the platform, covering everything from setting up your account to trading crypto and using advanced features like staking and Kraken Pro. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating Kraken and using it to manage your cryptocurrency investments. So let's get started. So Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. It's very similar to Coinbase and Binance, which we already looked at, except it's its own separate platforms. Here's what sets Kraken apart. First, it has a pretty wide cryptocurrency selection. So it supports over 200 cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, giving you plenty of options. Next, it has global reach. It's available in most countries and supports fiat currencies like USD, the euro, and the Japanese yen. Then it has advanced trading tools. It offers features like futures trading, margin trading, and staking. And then it has high security. Kraken is known for its strong emphasis on security, making it one of the most trusted platforms in the world. So whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Kraken offers tools to suit your needs. So just for some background, Kraken was founded in 2011 by a person called Jesse Powell and officially launched in 2013. It's one of the first cryptocurrency exchanges, making it a pioneer in the crypto industry. Here are some key milestones in Kraken's history. So in 2013, it launched with a focus on Bitcoin trading. Then in 2014, it became one of the first exchanges to pass a proof of reserves audit, which demonstrated transparency and security. And then in 2019, it introduced futures trading, margin trading, and staking options. And today, Kraken serves millions of users worldwide and is known for its robust platform and industry-leading security. Kraken's longevity and reliability make it a trusted choice in the crypto world. So before diving into the walkthrough, let's take a quick overview of Kraken's key features, which are also listed on the website, kraken.com, when you have the chance to take a look, but I'll quickly flip through the website and give you an overview of the main features. So Kraken's main features are spot trading, which is straightforward buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Then there's futures and margin trading, which are advanced options for experienced traders to amplify gains or hedge risk. Then there's this concept of staking that I'll elaborate a bit later, where you can earn rewards by helping secure the blockchain network. Then there's obviously a mobile and pro apps, so you can get access to Kraken's tools on the go on your phone or go through a professional trading interface. And then there's also very strong security, as I mentioned. So there's features like two-factor authentication, there's cold storage, and account locks that protect your funds. So Kraken is built for both beginners and advanced users and offers a versatile option and platform to meet your crypto needs. So in order to get started on the platform, you'll need to create an account, which is pretty easy to do. There's a sign up button on the top right of the main website that allows you to create a free personal account. And on here, you'll need to enter your email, your password, your country of residence, and you'll also need to provide some additional information like potentially your social security number and some more information in order for them to validate your profile. And again, to be clear, all of this is free. Obviously, they have kind of a pro version where you have to pay a monthly fee, but the main version is actually completely free. So once you sign up, you'll end up on the dashboard, which is kind of the control center for your Kraken account. In terms of what you'll first see a portfolio overview, which displays the total value of your crypto holdings. You'll see a quick buy and sell buttons, which allow you to buy or sell cryptocurrency directly from the dashboard, and that's up here. Then there's the market section, which displays real-time prices and trends for supported cryptocurrencies. And then obviously you have other things like your account settings, where you can manage your linked payment methods, your security, and your preferences. So the dashboard is designed to give you a snapshot of your account and easy access to trading tools. So buying and selling crypto on Kraken is pretty simple and intuitive. You'll need to click on the buy crypto button here, which will allow you to select the currency you want to buy from a drop-down menu, and then you can enter the exact amount you want to purchase in your local currency. Then you'll need to choose a payment method, whether it's a bank transfer, a debit card, or a credit card, and then you get to review and confirm the transaction. The platform also lets you sell your crypto, so if you click on sell crypto, you're allowed to sell however much you want at any point in time, and then just confirm the transaction. So Kraken makes it easy to enter or exit the crypto market at any time of day. And what's great about all these cryptocurrencies is that you get to trade 24/7, 7 days a week. So if you click on the Explore tab here, it brings you to the Market section. And the Market section is where you can explore all of Kraken's supportive currencies and trading pairs. So here's what you'll see. The first thing you'll see is the real-time price, which is listed down here. This displays the current value of each cryptocurrency. Then you'll see 24-hour performance over here, which shows how much the price has changed in the past day. Then you'll also see volume, which indicates how much of the cryptocurrency has been traded recently. And then there's going to be other things like trading pairs, which are options for trading one cryptocurrency for another, like Bitcoin to USD. So this section is useful for researching market trends and finding opportunities. And the neat thing about the platform is that it allows you to see also the newly listed coins. And so if you click down here on the newly listed, it'll give you a full list of all the new coins they've added to the platform recently. So when you click on one of the cryptocurrencies, if we take Bitcoin, for example, you'll be prompted to this menu, which essentially summarizes the recent price, and you can change how long you want to look at the chart for. Then it'll give you recent stats like the market cap, circulating supply, the volume, and then you'll have a description of the cryptocurrency. So I want to quickly cover this concept of staking, which is one of Kraken's standout features, which allows you to earn rewards on whatever cryptocurrency you own. So here's how staking works. When you stake a cryptocurrency, you lock it in the network to help validate transactions and secure the blockchain. In return, you earn rewards, similar to earning interest on a savings account. So it's essentially the same concept, like if you deposit money in a bank and you have it in a savings account, the bank goes around and lends that money, and in return you get a certain percentage interest. In this case, you deposit your cryptocurrencies in the Kraken wallet, and they're able to secure the network with that cryptocurrency, and in return, you get a percentage interest as well. And so on Kraken, staking is actually really easy. All you have to do is go to the earn or staking section in the menu. You choose a cryptocurrency from the list like Ethereum, Polkadot, or Bitcoin, and then you can specify the amount you want to stake and then confirm. Rewards are typically paid out regularly and can vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Staking is a great way to generate passive income while supporting the blockchain ecosystem. So if you like this platform and want to take it to the next step, you can always go with the Pro version of the platform. If you go up here, Kraken Pro, and this is designed for advanced traders who want more control over their trades. In terms of what it offers, you get live order books where you can view real-time buy and sell orders for better market insights. You get advanced charts where you can analyze price trends and patterns with professional grade tools. And then there's limit and stop orders where you can set custom buy or sell prices to execute trades automatically. And then finally, you get lower fees. So you enjoy reduced fees compared to the basic platform. So if you're experienced in trading crypto, Kraken Pro provides the tools you need to make informed decisions. And you can see already from the platform itself, it's already much more advanced. You get a lot more insights, and you get a full list of menu, including the trading features, the analytics features. You can see your portfolio. Here's the earn button that we discussed, and just a lot more information you have access to. So that concludes our walkthrough of Kraken. Let's recap what we covered: the history and unique features of Kraken, setting up your account and navigating the dashboard, buying and selling crypto, staking, and using advanced tools like Kraken Pro, and then Kraken's focus on security and its role as a trusted platform. Kraken is a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders, offering a balance of simplicity, advanced tools, and strong security. Thanks for joining me in this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.